Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this week we are doing something a little bit different. I'm trying to do some, clothing inspired stuff because it was my birthday week when I filmed this and I knew that I was not going to really have time to sit down and film anything, especially over the weekend when I did literally everything for my birthday and it was so much fun, but had no time to do any of this. So I was like, what do I do? Well, one thing that I do know I will be able to do this week is wear clothing because a normal functioning human, wears clothing. So I put a little bit of extra effort into my outfits and wanted to show you guys what I came up with. Let's just get right into it. My first outfit of the week is this dark gray circle skirt and this pink off-the-shoulder sweater, as well as this necklace which my parents got me, which has the moon from when I was born, and a black scrunchie. These gray lace-up boots and my clatter ring as always. I put my hair up in a little bit of a ponytail and did some super natural makeup, just my eyebrows, mascara, and lips. For Tuesday, I decided to go with this cute little schoolgirl outfit which I put together for some senior pictures this summer. Which is just a little white blouse and a cute little schoolgirl skirt with tall knee-high black socks and a little bit of some black boot heels. I did a little more dramatic but still very natural makeup with a little bit of an eyeliner and of course my clatter ring. For Wednesday, I grabbed this gingham dress and this black kind of knit top with a cute little hood and layered those together because I thought it was adorable, and paired it with this tiny little up necklace because I thought it was cute, and my clatter ring, as well as a yellow scrunchie that I made. For makeup, I went a little more dramatic with some blue and some yellow glitter because who doesn't love some glitter? For shoes, I just wore these white and gold sneakers from Nike. And for earrings, I put in these black ones that I got for homecoming and then promptly after wearing for this video, lost one of, and now I will never get to wear them again. Thursday was going to be a bit colder, so I decided to put on my full bell-sleeved dress as well as a cute little black belt with a gold buckle. And again, some knee-high, kind of thigh-high, gray socks with these cute Converse that I painted in imitation of the Starry Night by Van Gogh, which is one of my favorite paintings. I paired that with these two little diamond-encrusted bobby pins, as well as some very neutral, natural makeup. I didn't really go that crazy this week. And again, my clatter ring. For Friday, which is actually the day before my birthday, I was going to a concert, so I wanted to wear some of the merch that I got from that. So this Doty rainbow shirt and these dark maroon pants were the perfect outfit, as well as this fuzzy leather jacket, which is a weird combination, but I love. And for shoes, I got these beautiful leather boots for my birthday, and I decided to try them out, and they are super comfortable. I paired it with my clatter ring, as always, as well, and some very fun, bright rainbow makeup, because I could, I don't know. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, as well as share this video. If you liked any of the outfits in it, make sure to leave a like too. And I guess I will see you all in the next video. Hopefully makeup related, of course. Bye!